to force action in the House of Representatives, and the need for action on other fronts, opposing wars and reforming media. But I'm very concerned with the amount of energy we waste on trying to lobby presidents and senators when it's virtually hopeless. And even though it's still an uphill fight, we can influence House members if we would focus on that. And I'm disturbed by the number of people who are giving up and staying home and announcing defeat because they think they did something last November that was supposed to transform the world, and they spent a year waiting for it to be transformed, and now they're all sad and miserable that it hasn't been, which is such wasteful self-delusion on so many levels, and I'm hopeful that we can get beyond that and recover from the absurd and self-indulgent despair that's come out of it. And I think we can, and I think we have to.
I was wondering if you could talk about the health care bill. I tweeted yesterday and on Facebook calling Pelosi's office. You mentioned that calling senators is much harder than reaching the House members. Well, I called the House members, and it seems like Pelosi has absolutely made it difficult for every persons to contact her to reinsert the Kucinich Amendment, because that was why I got arrested and jailed over the past weekend, while I was in the 10th class money, by the way, students, because I was in court, dealing with being arrested for sitting in front of Blue Cross Blue Shield. But I say all that to say, do you think that there will be the reinsertion of the Kucinich Amendment by Pelosi?
The manager's amendment is posted online and does not include the Kucinich Amendment. So in every expected sense, it's a done deal, and the answer is no. What you and your colleagues have been doing around the country and going and sacrificing your time getting arrested at health insurance companies is an example to people of the sort of steps that should be taken that force a story into the news through what is a lot less frightening and dangerous an action than most people believe, and I think is very much to be applauded. I